In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links on Carrd.co. If you're building a simple landing page or a personal profile, adding clean, functional links is essential, and Carrd makes it straightforward. All you'll need is a Carrd account and a site you want to edit. Start by heading to the Carrd website and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your sites are listed. Make sure you're selecting the correct project, especially if you manage multiple pages, so you're editing the right one. Next, choose the site where you want to add a link and click the pencil icon to open the builder. This takes you into the editing canvas where you can see your layout in the sidebar with element controls. Take a quick moment to think about where your links should live on the page, above the fold for important actions, or lower down if they're secondary. Inside the builder, click Add. This is the button that lets you insert new elements onto your page. You'll see several element types, but for our purpose, you want the one made for link lists. Click Links. This adds a links element to your page, a simple block designed to hold one or more individual links. You can drag it to position it where you want and use the right-hand panel to style it later. Now click Link inside that element. This creates a single link entry you can customize. If you plan to have multiple links like Portfolio, Contact, and Shop, you'll repeat this part for each one. Under the Labels section, type the name you want people to see. Keep it short and descriptive like Contact Me or View Resume. Clear labels help visitors know exactly what to expect when they click. In the URL section, paste the full address you want to point to. Include the HTTPS prefix so the link behaves correctly. Double check for typos because even a small mistake can break the link. If you're linking to another section on the same page, you can use an anchor, and if you want the link to open in a new tab, look for the option in the settings panel for this link. When you're happy with the label and URL, click Done. You'll see your link appear in the links element on the canvas. From here, you can adjust its style, such as size, color, and spacing, using the panel on the right. Repeat the same process to add more links, and when everything looks good in the editor, you're ready to continue designing or publish your changes so they go live.